Welcome to the channel. I'm Jay Malone. It's been a while since I've shared some drone footage, so today I've got something kind of interesting for you. If this is your first time to the channel and you enjoy photography, drones, technology, and other related things, then start off by hitting that subscribe button. When you do, tap the little bell icon next to it. That way you won't miss anything. We have a local farmer here named Chris Berry, and a few months back he asked me to film him harvesting some row rice. Row rice? What's row rice? I asked him. Before you watch this video that explains it, be watching for a long orbiting drone shot. This was filmed with my Mavic Pro, and all of these shots were done without any of the intelligent flight modes. It was all done manually. Let me know in the comments below if you spot the shot that I'm talking about. Let's roll this footage and take a look at row rice. Chris Berry is always trying to farm more efficiently. In fact, he is utilizing a new piece of tillage equipment that you can see by clicking over there. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And until next time, God bless. Let's roll this footage of row rice.